Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is August 4th, 2024, and we have a lot to cover in the world of Tesla and autonomous driving. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Elon Musk has recently tempered expectations for Tesla's full self-driving, or FSD, capabilities. This comes after the release of early crowdsourced data that paints a less rosy picture than Musk's previous claims. Despite the hype around the latest FSD updates, versions 12.4 and 12.5, the actual improvements appear to be more modest. Initially, Musk had promised that FSD 12.4 would drastically reduce the need for driver interventions, claiming it would allow for 5 to 10 times fewer interventions per mile. However, after limited testing, this update was not widely released. The crowdsourced data, which covers about 150,000 miles, shows that the new FSD 12.5 update only doubles the average miles between interventions. To put this into perspective, FSD drivers are experiencing disengagements at a rate of 44 miles between disengagements and 331 miles between critical disengagements. This is significantly lower than competitors like Waymo, which raises questions about Tesla's progress in the autonomous driving space. Critics have pointed out that Musk's previous claims lack credibility, especially since Tesla has not released its own FSD intervention data. The limited crowdsourced data Musk referred to further undermines the credibility of his claims. While any improvement is noteworthy, the current pace of development suggests that fully autonomous driving is still years away. This situation underscores the challenges Tesla faces in delivering on its ambitious self-driving promises. It also highlights the importance of transparency and data sharing in building trust and credibility in the autonomous driving industry. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered today. Stay safe and see you next time.